ambition for Ace Tate is to become an engine for change within the eyewear industry, and we're trying to do this by focusing on impact as well as creating a circular product.
Digital Festival is a festival with a very clear mission to become the world's first circular festival and the world's first climate neutral festival. This year we'll work together with Ace Tate to turn 15,000 surplus lenses into an art installation to really get close to this circular ambition.
Instead of a take, make, waste process, we try to make it circular and make new products out of the waste streams.
We're here at the design studio or atelier of ATM. We've been asked by Digital Festival if we could design something with a waste stream. They came up with a lot of spectacle glasses, a huge amount.
The goal for Ace Tate is to maintain the value of the materials we make use of, such as acetate and lenses. And by doing this project, we're shifting from waste into art, which is a great example of circularity.
At our festival, it will get a very prominent position, and then after the festival, it will get a new life, so we will give it a new purpose.
After we have hung all the strings and finished the total art piece, we will have to pack it up to transport to digital, where we will hang it and finally show it to the public.